In what ways have General Takaful and insurance companies transformed their business models to overcome economic challenges and foster sustainable growth? How have they capitalized on market opportunities to expand their reach and relevance? I'm Zahir Kelvin Ong Abdullah, and this is Money Matters. Welcome to your favorite channel, TV3, where you can also stream on Tonton. In the studio with us today is Mohamed Sabri Ramli, Chief Executive Officer of Takaful Malaysia Arm. Welcome back to the program, Sabri.
Yeah, it's great to be here, Kelvin.
It's nice to have you back after the last interview, which is almost 1 year ago. Thank you for being on the program again.
Yes.
Now, can I start off by asking you that since you became CEO, if I'm not mistaken, in 2018,
right.
Over the years, Takaful Malaysia Arm has been consistently making waves in the insurance and Takaful industry. Now, when we interviewed you the last time, you said that for the financial year ended 31st December 2022, you recorded gross earned contributions exceeding the benchmark of 1 billion ringgit, higher by 17% compared to 878.7 million ringgit in 2021. So for 2023, how do you assess the company's performance for the last year?
Right. Kevin, firstly, thank you for having me here, and it's a pleasure to be back on Money Matters. Alhamdulillah, despite the competitive markets and challenging economic landscape, right, we managed to achieve robust financial results in 2023 and retain our market presence in the general insurance and Takaful industry through our core businesses. And to answer your questions, the exact numbers that we achieved 1.38 billion in the year of 2023 with a growth of 20.9% growth.
Congratulations, very impressive. Right. So what were the contributing factors that led to this growth?
Right. So I'm pleased to note that we witnessed a significant growth and stability in our general Takaful business. We recorded higher Takaful revenue in 2023 compared to the previous year. So mainly due to the higher business captures in fire and motor business. Mm-hmm. So overall, our strategic focus on optimizing our product portfolio and enhancing our operational efficiency has resulted in improved profitability. So additionally, our commitments into customer-centric initiative foster strong relationship and loyalty among our customers and corporate agents, contributing to the sustained revenue growth.
Yeah, right. So looking at how challenging and competitive the economy is nowadays, right. General Takaful and insurance companies have always shown commendable growth over the years. So looking at it holistically, what are the key factors driving this growth?
So when we look at the General Takaful and insurance company, right? So there are a lot of components or parameters that generate the growth for the industry. First and foremost is the awareness that the General Takaful and insurance company has been promoting to the markets. Mm-hmm. in order to give a value-added coverage, mm-hmm. Benefits to the public. So at the same time, we wanted to make sure that the public is aware of the protections available for them to purchase in the market. Mm-hmm. So that's the reason why not only General Takaful operators, but insurance companies and insurance company, but the regulators are also playing a part in promoting financial literacy, ensuring everyone are protected against any misfortunes or any accidents, be it catastrophic, be it health, be it asset damage.
Right. Okay. So moving on, can you enlighten us on the key initiatives and strategic moves employed by Takaful Malaysia Arm to maintain your prominent standing among the industry's top players?
So, in order for us to maintain our presence and our positions in the industry, we need to make sure that we are keeping ourselves intact with the markets. In order to do that, we need to make sure that we understand the requirements and the needs of the customers. This can be achieved through social media, through digitalizations, through data analytics that we can study, that we can basically tell people that study and analyze what is required by the customers.
Okay. Sabri, hold that thought. We've just got to go for a very quick commercial break. We're talking to Mohamed Sabri Ramli, Chief Executive Officer of Takaful Malaysia Arm. Stay with us. Welcome back. We're talking to Mohamed Sabri Ramli, the CEO of Takaful Malaysia Arm. Now, from your perspective, could you shed light on the main challenges confronting the general insurance and Takaful business?
The insurance and Takaful operation industry in Malaysia plays a pivotal roles in providing financial protection and stability to the consumers. However, the industry is confronted with, like what you mentioned, myriad of challenges and that necessitate the careful navigations and strategic adaptations. The challenges like differentiating of products, offerings, and maintaining markets share in such a competitive market pose challenges for the insurance for the industry players. Insurance companies and Takaful operators need to continuously innovate and differentiate their products to meet the evolving needs of the consumers and to be stand out in the markets. Obviously the economic uncertainty is an issue here, and the market fluctuation that could have an impact to financial performance of the insurance industry and Takaful operators that affecting the underwriting results of the companies. So one thing that we need to the Takaful company is very concerned about would be the managing fraud and effecting the effectively processing claims and ongoing challenges for the insurance and Takaful industry is very important in ensuring that the fraud would be able to be managed by the insurance and Takaful operators. The fraudulent fraud will then increase the cost and can undermine the trust in the industry. So this will inefficient claim processing can then lead to consumer dissatisfactions. At the same time, like for example, right, catastrophic events like what had happened in the year of 2022, that of natural disasters like what we discussed in our last year, that such as flood and pandemics can result in substantial claim payout and financial losses. Therefore, managing exposures and such risks and ensuring the adequacy of Takaful or reinsurance protections are very crucial in mitigating the losses.
Right. So now, effective underwriting and claims management, because you mentioned there's some issues as well on claims management, but basically these are essential for insurance and Takaful companies to maintain profitability and customer satisfaction. However, challenges such as accurately assessing risks, combating fraud, as you mentioned, managing claims efficiently can strain operational resources and impact financial performance. So what are your views on this?
So it's not going to be easy, but we are trying to assess the risk, combating fraud, managing claims efficiently, and indeed the essential aspect of our the essential aspects of our operations. So as a general Takaful operators, we are committed to upholding the principles of fairness, transparency, and accountability in all our dealings. So which makes addressing these challenges paramount. Like firstly, accurately assessing risk is fundamental to our business model. In order to ensure that we are going to do our product, the coverage that we provide meets the customer expectation, and the price is adequately, the pricing that we put is fair and transparent to our customers. This to ensure that we are keeping ourselves abreast with the markets. So, and we are strive to ensure that our underwriting decisions are prudent and aligned with our risk appetite. So at the same time, combating fraud is a top priority to us. At the same, insurance and Takaful not only the insurance and Takaful fraud not only undermines the trust of our stakeholders, but also have a significant impact to the companies, right? So in order to mitigate this exposure, this risk, we have implemented robust fraud detections mechanism to identify the suspicions, patterns, and behaviors. Additionally, we collaborate closely with law enforcement agencies and industry partners to investigate and prosecute fraudulent activities.
What are the main fraudulent activities?
Fraudulent activities would include something like you do not have an insurance or Takaful protections for your vehicles at the point of claims, at the point of accidents, but eventually you renew your Takaful protection for that vehicles. Then after some times you just report a damage to your vehicles after you have secured the protection of cover.
Right. We just got to go for a final commercial break. Stay with us on Money Matters. Thank you for staying with us on Money Matters. We're talking to Mohamed Sabri Ramli, CEO of Takaful Malaysia Arm. Okay, so moving on, the insurance and Takaful industry has been witnessing rapid expansion globally, of course, for this year. What opportunities do you anticipate for the industry as a whole and general insurance and Takaful players in this, can I say, evolving landscape?
Right. The general insurance and Takaful industry has indeed experiencing significant growth over the years, right? So marked by the evolving customer needs, the technology advancements and regulatory changes. Hence, it is vital to analyze the opportunity that awaits the industry players in these dynamic landscapes. So one of the most prominent opportunities would be embracing the digital transformation, like what I earlier mentioned. So with the proliferations of the technology and the rise of the insurtechs, there is a vast scopes of enhancing customers' customer experience, streamlining the process, right, and developing the innovative products. We leveraging the artificial intelligence, data, analytics, and blockchains can revolutionize the processes such as underwriting, claim management, and risk assessment, which ultimately driving efficiency and profitability. So furthermore, the evolving landscapes, right, presents opportunity for diversifying our product offerings as customers' preference shift and the new risks emerge. There is a growing demand for a specialized insurance and Takaful solution. For example, a company could be asking now just not a conventional product, but product which is related to digital, like cyber insurance, cyber Takaful protections, solar-related protection for the solar panels, and then the micro Takaful protections to cater for the micro businesses, and these are the opportunity for the insurance company and Takaful operators to expand their business.
So what is your vision for the future of the company?
So thanks for the insightful questions. The vision I have for Takaful Malaysia Arm is basically sustainable growth, innovations, and value creation for all the stakeholders. As we look into the futures, right? So our primary goal is to solidify our position as one of the leaders in the general insurance and general Takaful operators in the industry. And we are continuously enhancing our product offering, services to our consumers. So our strategy for driving goals and creating values, right? So is multifaceted. So we will continue to prioritize customers' centricity in everything that we do. So this means that providing comprehensive and affordable Takaful solution, delivering exceptional service, and building long-lasting relationship with our customers.
Right. Okay, so now looking at what you mentioned, perhaps for you to expand a little bit more on how you plan to drive growth and create value for shareholders, customers, and of course your other stakeholders.
Right.
Is there a lot of pressure on you to deliver more than what you have delivered for 2023?
So to me, there are in all challenges there are opportunities, right? So and these are the as long as you're positive, you can basically, and you are focused, you should be able to meet all the challenges and be able to meet the requirements of all stakeholders, be it customers, be it agents, or be it our own shareholders. So we should be able to staying, as long as we are staying values, staying true to our values and executing our strategies with discipline and agility. I'm confident that we will continue to thrive in the years to come.
Right. So looking at the 2024, are you looking at significant growth in terms of your numbers as well? Inshallah.
Inshallah, we will continue to grow as much as possible, and I'm quite positive that we would be able to achieve, if not better, at least the same as what we had before.
All right, Sabri, thank you very much for appearing on Money Matters. It's been a pleasure having you with us again.
Okay, thank you very much. It's my pleasure to be here.
Thank you. For the past half an hour, you've been with us on Money Matters. If you missed the earlier part of the episode, you can also catch it up on Tonton. Money Matters will be going on a break, and we will be back in July. I'm Zahir Kelvin Ong Abdullah. Thank you for watching, and have a great weekend.